are going to present an assembly before you, and our topic is thankfulness. Get ready for the prayer. All of you please join your hands and close your eyes. To join. Be present in all things and thankful for all things. The more you are thankful, the more you attract things to be thankful for. There is always something to be thankful for. True forgiveness is when you can say thank you for that experience. I have a lot to be thankful for. I am healthy, happy, and I am loved. It's the only prayer you ever say in your life. It's thank you. It will be enough. When you are thankful, fear disappears and abundance appears. Now we are going to present our small kids on thankfulness. Thankfulness, gratitude, or gratefulness is a feeling of appreciation. This kindness can be gifts, help, favors, or another form of generosity to another person. Grandpa, birthday, thankfulness. Let me show you thankfulness. Thank you, Mama, for the tasty lunch.
I like to think about the goodness of the Lord. He gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just want to